Alright guys, welcome back to the video. As I mentioned last week, I am running a 10k in London and I haven't trained at all. I can't even remember the last time I went on a proper run. But it is Friday today and I've taken half of the day off this afternoon, so it's basically 12:30 at the moment. And yeah, we're just gonna probably go for a little 5k run, just spin the legs a little bit, just see how it feels to run a bit more. The weather outside is quite grey, but the sun does pop out here and there, so I think it's quite hot outside. It says it's 20 degrees, so I'm not sure if this jacket is needed, but I do kind of want to wear it because it has zip pockets, and I'm going to film the run using this DJI Osmos Pocket 3, a very nice action camera with a built-in gimbal. So I kind of want to, put this away in my pocket if I don't really film it, because I'm not, running is boring, imagine filming the whole thing. So yeah, maybe I'll take this off. This is one of my favorite running jackets actually. It's a windbreaker from ASRV. It's got the letters at the back. And when I was bulking, this was actually so tight on me, but I think it fits me quite well now. Probably I just look very, very skinny in this. But it is a nice clean, just plain black windbreaker, which is nice. So yeah, not much else to say. Let's get on with the run.
Simply freeze. Don't you worry, let me throw you up, 'cause I think I know where you are.
Oh man, that was honestly hard. Feels so unfit right now. Feels a bit like a wake-up call for actually doing some cardio every single week, because you might look very good in the gym, you might look good in the mirror with a six-pack, you're very lean and all of that stuff, but if you can't run like a 5k fairly comfortably, like at a slowish speed, I feel like that's quite bad. And I've kind of got to that stage. I kind of let myself go a little bit over the last few months. Just thinking about it, the last time I went for an actual run was, I think it was back in July. So that's been a couple months where I've actually been doing some sort of aerobic respiration type activity. But yeah, it's all good though. I mean, I don't know what the plan will be for Sunday, because honestly that was a struggle. It was almost like it wasn't even an easy run. That was a very hard run for me, and also I feel like I'm getting a bit of a blister as well, which is not very good. I need to sit up straight as well. I need to remember that. Yeah, I'll probably just run maybe 2k, walk for 100 meters and then just do it like that. I mean, I'm not really a runner, so I just got to complete it, isn't it? But yeah, running for me is just not enjoyable at all. The burn from running is just hard, that I might sound like a bit of a weakling, but I've done swimming in the past where that's very tough on the body. But I guess with swimming it's a bit easier on your muscles and your joints. When you are fatigued, you're more just respiratory fatigue or aerobically fatigued or whatever it is, and then you kind of just recover the next day. Running, it's your knees get sore, your hips get sore, maybe your bum gets sore. So yeah, it's a very different type of training to what I'm used to. I'm more used to explosive training, powerlifting, very few reps. Sprinting I did for 2 years. That was very anaerobic respiration, so that was just you just, before you're even that you're tired, you're already finished. So that was a lot easier. Sprint training for me, sprinting 100 meters 200 meters, I feel is the easiest training, honestly, because by the time you actually feel fatigued, you've already done the rep. Whereas any sort of long distance endurance type training is a very mental thing as well. You've got to really just push through that mental barrier of thinking that you can't do it and you want to just stop right here. So yeah, man, gonna head home, get on with the rest of the day. Okay, so as I showed you, light mode has been implemented, which took a very long time. It was very tedious going through all of the different components and changing their style, which is why I kind of did it now rather than later, because as the code base grows and grows, then it's just going to be a lot harder to, well, more time consuming rather than hard. Alright, good morning guys. It is the day of the Vitality 10K and the weather is a little bit crap at the moment. It was really bad when we woke up, but I'm just hoping that it's going to stop soon, because otherwise it's just not going to be a very enjoyable run. I mean, I don't really run that much. I don't really want to do this race, and to make it worse, it is raining, so hopefully the weather calms down a bit. But look at this, all the gear, no idea. I've got a little chest pack right here so I can put my phone in it, and also maybe put the DJI camera as well, or maybe I'll just use my phone, who knows. And then just wearing some of these shorts. All of the stuff that we need to leave in these bags, I've never actually done a race before, so I don't really know how it works, but apparently you leave all of your stuff that you're going to wear after the race in some of these plastic bags. I don't really know which one's mine, but there's a bib. I think that's my bib there. 18297. The slow group. I'm going to be doing a slow run. I think it's going to be pretty difficult, but I just keep telling myself it is 2 social 5K runs, and just gotta, I don't know, just go with the flow and just hopefully the legs don't just break.
not too bad because we're going slowly, so almost there.
Yeah, we did 5k, we're almost there for 5k. We got this.
Yeah.
Come on, baby.
Let's go.
There's a water station as well.
Oh yeah, I need water. Even I've got a bottle.
돌아가고파, yeah.